So what we have here is this is the British pound, Japanese yen, and I'm going to speak about three different parts of what I call the three C's of a daily move. And so these green boxes here are the Asian session, and so I'm going to start. Actually, I'm going to start where we are. I'm going to start back here, and then I'll come to where we are. So you have the Asian session, which price tracks either goes up and down, or it trends upwards or downwards. But what happens is once you leave the Asian session, you'll have what's called the initial or the charter move. So here you have the charter move, which was long, and then what you'll want is to await a pullback off of that to see what the next move will be. So we have the charter move long, then we have the pullback, and so what we're looking for there is either a corrective move or a confirmational move. So the corrective move would have broken below the Asian session's midpoint and moved lower, but the confirmation move bounces off of this orange line, which is actually the midpoint of the Asian range. So once you have the confirmation move, which means you're probably going down to the lower time frame to establish the actual pattern or the correctness of your assumption. Once you have that, you have the conviction move, the move of conviction. And so once you have that charter move, that initial move, the pullback, and confirmation of that direction or the correction of that direction, the next move is called the move of conviction, where the market really moves quickly to its next point. And so what we had after the confirmation move and the retest of the midpoint, price moved back up into here. That was over the last couple of days, 2 days ago. So now we have another Asian range, and so sometimes the range is tight, and what'll happen is price will move away from there. So that's the charter move, and then you have the pullback, and then that will give you the opportunity for confirmation. So price did not close above the orange here, so we get a confirmation move on the lower time frame, and then the conviction move of conviction is in the downward direction, and you can see price close below here. So that was the move of conviction for the day. Now, so what we have also is we got the Asian session that formed during that move. So price is kind of consolidating in a sense, but what we have here is this orange line from the Asian session. Price is actually retesting that area. So what we're looking for this morning is the first charter move, and so based on what I see here, now we've got three pushes, 1, 2, 3 pushes. So price could come back up here and reset, but based on where price is going over the course of the week, and I believe that we're in the part of what we call the midweek reversal, I'm expecting the charter move to be south. So I'm looking for a short move on the charter move this morning, and then at some point price will turn around and retest this Asian high, in my opinion, or somewhere close to it, and then it'll give us the move of either confirmation or the move of correction, which says that the direction is going to change and go longer, which there is still some upside potential on the higher time frame, so that's a possibility. But before that, I think the charter move will be low. We'll pull back and then get the confirmation or the correction, and then we can take the move of conviction into the day's actual trend direction. So just a little information on how you can interpret moves in the market or anticipate moves in the market, so that you can have a clear sense of what's happening once the price starts actually moving really fast. So hope this is helpful, and look out for more videos like this at some point in the future. Until next time, enjoy the day and happy trading.